Okay, this is for Electrocycle. What I'm going to do is just do a quick and dirty because it's cold as a witch's tit right now. I'm going to do a quick and dirty video on how to adjust the derailleur. If you can see right here, if you see that there's a little bit of an adjustment knob here, what this does is it moves the derailleur back left and back right. So what you want to do is, because you have a mid drive, you want to try to keep it as far in alignment as possible. Now, with bicycles, because they have an external gear system, it's not like a motorcycle. It's not like an internal helical gears with, like synchromesh or anything like that. You want to try to keep it in a neutral gear. Like, for example, in this example, I have it at 5th gear, which is, perfectly fine, right? So if I want to move it left, I move the adjustment knob left. If I want to move it right, I move it to the right. And the reason for this is you want to try to get it in an alignment as much as possible, especially if you have a mid-drive system. I have a hub drive, so this could be totally fucked and no one will care. So what we're trying to do is get you into a position where your gears are in at least enough of alignment that you can, drive down the road properly. So in this situation, because I have it on a middle gear, right, it's going to be almost neutral. It's not like a motorcycle where you only have one gear that goes to the, one chain and one gear that goes to the back, and then you have all the gears synchronmeshed internally. So what you're trying to do is you're trying to get yourself into a situation where at least the gear that you're comfortable with, it may be, because you have a mid drive, it may be, hey, I go in 5th all day. Okay, try to get it in that sort of alignment. But anyway, I like I said, I'm doing a quick and dirty video because it's cold as a fucking witch. It's like -10, okay? So anyway, I'm just trying to explain it briefly so that, let's get them on the road. If any of those out in the community have a better idea, or, at least in southern climates, so I can actually, you can actually, like, do the proper testing, help him out. Definitely, because he's a good man, and what I would say is don't get tits up at the duck pond. All right, bye.